There are a number of serious health and contamination issues associated with sanitary waste bins. They're often warm, damp and nutrient-rich environments, and so they're a breeding ground for pathogenic bacteria. If left untreated, the bacteria can grow on the waste and in the surfaces of the unit, so they can reach levels that could pose an infection risk over time. And also, many sanitary waste units in public and private facilities are only emptied once a month. It provides plenty of time for the microorganisms inside that unit to reach harmful levels. As the bacteria grow inside the unit, also offensive malodours are produced. And so it's really important to eradicate the bacteria in the unit, not only to provide a hygienic washroom, but also a pleasant smelling washroom experience for their users. There are antimicrobial sanitary bin liners that contain silver ion technology, but the European Chemicals Agency, ECHA, has actually called into question the effectiveness of certain silver-based compounds. And the Biocidal Products Committee passed a resolution in 2018 stating that 3 silver actives are not approved for use under the biocidal products regulations because their effects cannot be sufficiently proved. And this is because silver ions need a solvent to move into contact with the microbial cell, and that solvent is water. So if it's a dry system, as is the case when it's incorporated into plastics and liners, there can't be any efficacy. Importantly, silver ion technology relies on contact, and as I mentioned before, contact in the presence of water to be effective. Inside a sanitary unit, not all the waste comes into direct contact with the liner itself, and so the bacteria that's growing on the waste and within the waste are still able to propagate. Seeing these flaws with the current technology offering, we realised that in order to protect washroom users and service personnel, we needed to plug this gap with an effective and innovative technology, and that's where our vapor phase Biosan ActivLiners come in. Our patented vapor phase technology is based on a combination of volatile plant extracts, which are both bacteriostatic, meaning that they stop bacteria from multiplying, and they do this by disrupting protein synthesis within the cell, and they're bactericidal, and that means that they kill bacteria, and they do this by lysing or bursting the bacterial cell. Over the past 2 years, we've been developing a technology to incorporate the vapor phase active ingredients into a master batch plastic that can be then used to manufacture antimicrobial films and liners, which not only possess contact antimicrobial activity, but also vapor phase antimicrobial activity as well. Our Biosan vapor phase technology works not only through contact, but also through the vapor phase to penetrate the waste itself. So it will kill the microorganisms on all the surfaces of the unit and within the waste itself. So it prevents the odours from forming at source. The ActivLiner is our newest product offering within the Biosan range, and it incorporates antimicrobial master batch containing our proprietary blend of vapor phase active. Get in touch through our website, and one of our sales representatives can guide you through the different options that are available for your service.